How to fix Instagram has stopped working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram has stopped working on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache. This one for Android phones, and if you have an iOS, just go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated, then restart your phone. And if that doesn't fix it, now just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and your problem will be fixed. And then just go to settings, make sure your power saving mode is disabled, and then go to display and brightness, and make sure go to screen resolution and make sure it's set it on high. And that's it. See you in the next video.